Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video. In this new tutorial I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Camtasia Studio. So in order to do this, all you need to do is position this timeline here at the right moment that you want. For example, I want a screenshot of this moment here, and then go over share, and after that click on export frame as. You can also do it by clicking on Ctrl and F at the same time. And here guys, you can choose the extension that you want. PNG, usually PNG is more quality than those three other extensions. So let's choose PNG and let's rename it, for example, with image. Save. And here on the desktop, as you can see, here is my screenshot, and as you can see, with a very high resolution. You can see that when you zoom in. So thank you guys for watching, and this is how you take a screenshot on your Camtasia. And if you want to add this to the project again, just drag it to the Camtasia Studio and paste it here, and you can position this on any part you want to add this screenshot to. So thank you for watching guys. This was a very quick tutorial about how to take a screenshot using Camtasia Studio. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a like and a comment if you want. Thank you guys.